Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my audience and my viewers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. You see this beautiful creamy smoothie, this amazing creamy smoothie. If you want to see how I make this super yummy breakfast alternative, or rather if you want to take a light dinner, you want to watch how I make this creamy green, should I call it light green color, just stick to this video and watch to the end. And please, if you find my video interesting or you find my channel very interesting, you feel the need to support my channel, kindly hit the subscription bell, and beside there is the notification bell button. Please turn it on and use the all option when activating it. So guys, on this video, if you want to see how I prepare these things, you'll be needing one cucumber. I use about 30 grams of oatmeal. I use some very huge amount or handful of pistachio and some dates. So guys, if you want to use any other dried nuts of your choice, you can use like cashew nut, granite, any almond nut, any nut of your choice, depends on the one you have at home. I have pistachio and I use pistachio. I advise you to try incorporate this smoothie when you are doing it. Make sure you add some dry nuts to it because they are super helpful and full with natural fats that is great for our body system. So guys, what I did was to soak my pistachio. I peeled them. I soaked it for about 6 to 7 hours because I was at work. So when I came back, I peeled them, and this is the outcome of it. Like I said, if you want to use any other nut, dry nut, the choice is yours. It must not be pistachio. So that is my soaked date, which I'm going to add to my pistachio, after which I'm going to transfer them to my blender. I did not use any mix to make this smoothie. I choose to use water because I wanted as low calories as possible. I wanted it as low as possible in everything, so I use water. If you want to use milk, you can use milk. You can use almond milk. You can use anything of your choice, or you want to try it with water. Believe me, with water it is super great in the mouth. So guys, this is my oatmeal. I soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes. It is very fast and easy to soak. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to add my oatmeal to the blender, and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to blend it until I get a very smoothy texture. So the next step is my cucumber. This is a bio cucumber because I got it from my garden, so I'm going to use everything after I've washed it. Then I'm going to cut it into little portion. Then I'm going to add it to my blender. You know, cucumber is great. It's almost 90% of water, so it's super hydrating and it helps to glow your skin. So when you combine all these things together, just forget the health benefit is a go. So guys, while watching this video, I will just be trying to summarize some of the great benefits of this ingredient. We have date, which is super rich in properties which help to fight chronic disease such as Alzheimer, because date is rich in this great has this great antioxidant that helps to prevent the plaques from forming in the brain, and this is great to help prevent Alzheimer aside other chronic diseases. We have the oatmeal, which is a whole grain, and it's very easy to incorporate in your breakfast. So these things are super natural, natural ingredients, and they are super healthy. Remember, on this channel we deal with everything natural ingredients, right from the kosher, right from the comfort of your home. We glow in this channel. We treat our hair, we treat our skin, and we treat our body innerly. So guys, if you love this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and this will also help promote my video. Thanks guys for watching, and let me know your thought about this video on the comment section. If you want to try it, or if you love this combination, let me know. Remember, we just use some few ingredients: cucumber, pistachio, date, and oats. So guys, stay tuned until next time I come across your beautiful screen. I'm Susan, and you are watching the Glossy Tips. Bye guys. This is super yummy. When I tasted it, it's super yummy. You can make varieties of oatmeal smoothie, different varieties. And if you want to be seeing more varieties of oat smoothie, hit the red button and make it great. Subscribe to this channel, and you'll be seeing more smoothie. Bye guys.